Good afternoon YouTube, this is going to be an unboxing video for my brand new phone, which as you can see by the box in here, is a Samsung Galaxy J5. That's just a mum coming in, just stocking up. I do apologise if my voice sounds weird. I've got a bit of a cold, so yeah, apologise about that. So this is the black one. And just normal Android operating system, and it's got 4G, Super AMOLED, whatever that is. And it's got a front AD flash, so whenever I want to talk to you guys with my face, if it's in the dark, I can actually it's got a light. It's actually a light, so you can actually see my face. Say if it's like another power cut or something, I can actually use that if I'm going to do another vlog sort of thing for that. And it also has ultra power saving mode, so I don't have a clue what that is. And hold on, so I'm just changing that. Down here, so it's got LTE Cat 4, whatever that is, 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor, 126.3mm or 5-inch HD Samo LED, whatever that is. You got 13 MP AF plus 5 MP front flash, or make that 5 megapixel front flash, and 8 gigs of memory of the device. And there's all that. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing. So we have to, I'll sellotape's been taken off because the guy at the shop says had to take it off to set the phone up. So yep, it's already open. So let's pull this nice new phone out. Difficult to do it with one hand. Oh, I'll have to put it down for a second. Oops, wrong way around. Hold on. Let's just start it off. There we go. Yeah. So that comes out like. So yeah. There she is. Look at that. There she is. And I think it is quite a nice device. I can get it out. There we go. There it is. Still got all the plastic cover on. See, it's got the flash for the selfie camera there. Nice and big. And the back end, you can see the camera, the little speaker, and the flash. So yeah. So let's peel off the without dropping this. Hold on. If I can actually do that. Hold on. That's quite hard to get off. One hand. I'll put the phone down a second. Hold on. Yep, so that is now off. So you have to leave that there a second. Oops. No, I'll leave it there. So you've got an inner bit here, which have all the cables and stuff in. So here's your instruction leaflet. Yep. Pair of headphones. Similar to Apple really, so it's got like a little tweeter on there or something. Or it's got a built-in microphone thing so you can talk to people on them. It's got parts I quite like. You need a charger. Got a little extendable. Well, it's got a little sort of like flat pack sort of. Well, not flat pack, you know what I mean. Like little charger. You can pull the earth cable up, the earth pin up like. Hold on, like. How the hell are you supposed to do that? Hold on. That's hard to do it with one hand. Hold on. Try and do it. There we go. So it just pops up like that. And when you don't want to use it, when you don't use it, claps it down again. and a USB goes into there, which is provided. Here she is. That's it. So that was an unboxing of my very nice brand new Samsung Galaxy J5. Oops, I changed camera angle for a second then. So yeah, this is filmed on my old phone. You right? So let's finish the video by firing this thing up. Little button on the side of it, just press and hold. Here she comes. And that is that. So just let this thing boot up. There it goes, unlocked. I like that. I like that, it's like a little bubble. Oh, wait a second, what am I doing? So you've got the usual Google stuff. Got YouTube. And all the usual. Got all that fat stuff. You actually got Microsoft stuff on here. Actually, you got Microsoft Word on here and stuff. Yeah, you know that one. Did you know that? Got Microsoft stuff on here. Microsoft Office stuff in there. Yeah, it's got Word. Going to here, you got Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, and Skype, which I don't use. Go on here. Got all the little gadgets in there. It's got Chrome. It's got Chrome. I use Chrome a lot. Oops, calendar. It's a very nice phone, and I'm impressed with it. This is the last video I'm going to do on this phone. The next video will be on my lovely new Samsung Galaxy J5. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video then.